one from the top. Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. The guys from Innovv who do the motorcycle dash cams contacted me the other month and asked me if I'd like to look at their new product. And I went, yeah, why not? Now their new product is a compact, rechargeable, precise pressure tyre inflator. This little box here contains it. I haven't even opened it yet. It's still got the plastic wrapping on it. So you're privileged with this one. Hopefully we'll get the cameras working and not like last time when something messed up. If you'd like to know what I think of this Innovv tyre inflator, as they say, stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
Just before we started this, I've just weighed this and it's 859 grams. So it's not going to be the most heaviest thing in your rucksack or your pannier or anywhere you want to carry it whilst you're on touring or off-road. This is the sort of thing it's for, but I think there's a charger in here, so it's going to be a little bit lighter, so I'll do another one in a minute. As I said, it's wrapping is still on it. Ooh, we'll take the plastic off. Be careful with sharp knives. I should have made sure there was an adult present, shouldn't I, for using sharp objects. So yeah, we've not even opened this as yet. I've seen other unboxings of it. Don't they do packaging well? The people nowadays, when you get a nice bit of packaging, it just makes buying the thing so much better. Lovely box. Lovely box. You know, everything's well made, isn't it? It's weird. Instructions as per usual. I'll just throw them away. Better put that away, help me. Don't want to cut ourselves. So yeah, so that is the pump itself. I don't think it does come with a charger, no, because it's probably Type C rechargeable, isn't it? Plastic carry case, and I would say the lead, the inflatable hose lead to go with it. Bag full of goodies, to all your different bits to be able to pump up different things. Type C charging cable, and I believe this will charge the device, and because of the battery that's inside it, you'll be able to use it as a power bank, so you can use it the opposite way around. As you can see, it's got two connections there. You've got the Type C, which you'll charge it with, and the Type A, which you'll use it as a power bank. No idea if it's charged. I'm going to have to get my glasses on for this because I can't really see. Just one sec. You get to a certain age, you've got to start wearing these. Middle button, power on. Full digital display. So it has 4 different modes. The first one is as soon as you start it up, it comes into the car mode. You can better see that way. Then it goes into motorcycle mode. Then it goes into bicycle mode. And then it goes up to inflating footballs and anything that's inflatable that you might have lying around the garden. It's got a battery indicator there, so it's showing it's fully charged. What else have we got? We have the button for SOS, which it has lighting, depending on how many times you press it. As you're inflating stuff, you can have a light on. So there's 4 settings for the digital readout regarding the pressure. You can have it in bar, PSI, you can have it in kPa, or you can have it in kilogram per cubic meter. Us mere mortals will probably just have it in bar or PSI. Probably PSI, my age, depending how old you are, you probably have it in bar. We'll put it in PSI, easy up and down to change the pressure. So that would be a little bit nicer if that was just a quick connector, but you probably, you know, you just can't really get one, can you? So without the packaging, everything off, and only things you're going to carry, which is the device itself and the hose, and possibly, well, put a bag on it as well, which is not going to weigh 803 gram. So yeah, it's 200 gram off a kilo. If you can see that, can you see that there? The cooling fins on the side is Innovv. So it looks like it has an auto power off, which is good, so it'll never lose the battery because we haven't just used it and it's knocked itself off, which is going to be a good feature. If you leave it while you're doing something else, you think you need it and it's not going to go completely flat, and you can't put it in your bag and forget about it, and it'll just stop on, it'll go flat, so that's good. One thing it boasts is the precise pressure readings, and the pressure, when it gets to a certain pressure, it will stop, which is good. The as I said, some of these tire inflators that are out at the moment only have a LCD display. This has illuminated digital display, so when it is dark you can see it, so you don't really need a light on it. Nothing works worse with a LCD screen. It is a cheaper alternative, but yeah, another plus point for that. I'd say the battery inside it, once it's fully charged, you can either use it for the pumping of air, or you can use it as a power bank. There's a couple of other features that they say may interest a few people. It has its own built-in cooling system. When you go on the website, it'll show you the internals of this thing. I think it draws air through and pushes them out the side. That's why you've got the cooling fins on the side of it. So it reduces the heat, because there's nothing worse, because as soon as that gets hot, the piston gets hot, the seal gets hot, and then it wears out and it gets premature wear, which is no good. So being the cooling, it should last a little bit longer. And what I didn't know, which I've just read, the housing actually is made out of aluminium and not plastic. I was going to say, well, it's made out of ABS plastic, but it's not, it's aluminium. So what we'll do now, we'll find something that's got air in it, we'll let it down, and we'll pump it back up and see what it does, because that's the only way we can really test it, isn't it? See what sort of battery life and how long it takes to do. So stick around for that. We've just let the rear tyre down on this 790. It's got absolutely nothing in it. Put it into motorcycle mode. It has the quick release, which I thought might not be good, but I think it's going to be good, because some of them have the screw-in ones, don't they? And then you're screwing that into your tube, and then you're screwing that into the machine and everything like that. So with the quick connector, I think it should be all right. As you say, it's 0. To set it going, you press the middle button. What do I set it to? Oh, it's going carrying on. So it always does on camera, doesn't it? Huh? I thought I set it to 30 psi, but it hadn't. It was still at 42. So anyway, so I've put it down to, I've let some air out of the tyre, and I'll show you what it does when it gets to the desired psi of what it should be. Oh dear, huh? One of those days again, isn't it? So yeah, as you can see, it's doing 10 psi probably every 1.5 minutes on a motorcycle tyre, a big 150, 70, 18. So stuff that's smaller, stuff will do it faster, and tyres that are smaller, it will do it faster, but tyres that are bigger, it'll do it a little bit slower because of the volume. But you know, 1.5 minutes from flat, I did that from a puncher, it's going to take you, what, 3 minutes to do? Whoopee. It's going to get you away from anywhere. Battery hasn't, battery indication hasn't gone down much. So we're back down at 30 motorcycle mode, and we'll just set it going to 29. Gets to 30 and boom, it just stops, as it should do really. It does everything it says on the tin. The Innovv portable digital tyre inflator. What more in life would you want from a tyre inflator? It basically does everything you want it to do. So you go YouTubers, the Innovv Tyre Inflator does everything it says on the tin. Digital readout, illuminated display, which is good because, you know, like I said before, if it's dark, you're on the side of the road or something, you've not got an LCD screen. It's all illuminated, it's got light with it, used as a power bank. So it's got a 6,000 milliamp hour battery in it, which is similar to a normal power bank that you'd buy, you pay 20 quid for. So you take that 20 quid off this. Yeah, they're currently retailing at £61 at the moment. I think there's free shipping. Link will be down below. That link is affiliated and I do get a little bit of a kickback from it. Not a great deal. And there's a 10% discount code, SimonB, which then you'll end up probably paying, what, 54 quid for it? So £54 for that, including a power bank. Not bad really, is it? So, if you fancy an Innovv, description, link in the description box down below, where a lot of people don't know where it is. If you're watching this on a telly, which a lot of you do, you will not be able to see it. So you'll have to go on your phone or on your laptop or on a PC or on a tablet to be able to see that description box below. I'll have the link and the links for everything. So if you thought that video was alright, please give us a big thumbs up. If you just stumbled across us again because you were after a small tyre inflator or something like that, please consider subscribing. We just don't also do this, we do all sorts of other things. Look at our back catalogue. If you're riding out there, don't forget, ride safe, be safe, keep safe, and as they say, see you soon.
Like and subscribe.